Ladies are meant to gent. Today I say make I make porridge yam. So I start by peeling my yam and then cutting it to my desired shape and size. Rinse the yam and put in the pot. Yes, so from there I went ahead to pound my pepper. I sliced my onions. I added it to my yam when it was boiling. I also added my fresh pepper. Yes, guys. And I added some grinded crayfish. Yes, you can't go wrong with crayfish. So yes, I added my seasoning cubes, my salt to taste. I went ahead to stir this just a little. Then I added my palm oil. You can add your palm oil at any point. Some people like to add it at the end, but I added it here. And yes, I covered it after stirring and then came back later and stirred it to the desired consistency. Yes, guys. And I added my scent leaf. Yes, so that's how easy it is to make porridge yam. Yes, it is that easy. And guys, you can't go wrong with this recipe. Like, this porridge yam tasted so good. Let's not even go there. All right, so yeah, we are pretty much done. This is me serving my porridge yam. Yes, guys, this porridge jam was so good. It was so good. So I served it, and yeah, of course, I had to have a taste of this porridge jam. And yes, I'll give it a 10 over 10 because, well, it's that good.